You are being watched. Yes, did you know that sometimes you are being recorded when you walk through home showings? It's true. It's essential to strike the right balance between expressing your opinions and keeping your cards close to your chest. Let's talk through the tips. Number 1, be mindful of your surrounding and be cautious about what you say. Avoid discussing your financial situation, negotiation strategies, or any personal information that could be used against you. Number 2, keep it positive. While it's okay to comment on the home's features, try not to be overly critical. You never know if the homeowner is listening in, and you don't want to offend them, which could be detrimental to future negotiations. Number 3, ask questions, but don't overshare. Feel free to ask your agent questions about the property while you're in the property, but avoid revealing too much about your motivations or your eagerness to buy. Number 4, save the in-depth analysis for later. After the showing, you can discuss your candid thoughts in a more private setting. This way, you can thoroughly evaluate the home without the risk of being overheard. If you're like me, you will love seeing the inside of other people's homes, especially if you're in the market to buy one. So it's hard to keep a lid on things while you're in there. Just keep your comments, enthusiasm, especially criticisms, to a minimum while in the house to avoid any potential pitfalls. Follow me for more real estate tips. If you or anyone you know are looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, give us a call. We're happy to help.